In this video, we're going to show you how to use so-called lookup table. If you unzip the Excel exercise file, please open up T1 Basic. And depends on where you are, if you come to this tab called Lookup. This is actually what I use in calculating the letter grade for my student. For instance, if I have their final score, numerical score based on 100 points, then I need to submit their grade in letter grade. This is the grading policy that I follow. And so it's from A minus, B plus, B minus, etc. I do need to set up the lookup table. This is, you have to follow the specific instruction. In this case, the value that you're going to use to determine the letter grade has to be from the lowest number to the highest number. And for instance, just like take let's say C plus as example, it's actually between 78 points to less than 80, then you get a C plus. That's what I mean. For B, if you're between 88 and 83, then you get a B. Okay, so that's how you set it up. In order to use the lookup table, we have to come here. So this is what we're going to use. There is a function called lookup. This IntelliSense can help us to find it. And then you try to figure out what 87 can be translated into by looking up in this lookup table here. So this little tip help you to kind of understand what this lookup function expect from you. I need to have the lookup vector. In this case, I'm going to just, that's the lookup vector, and then the next is the result vector, which is this. If you do that, you got the letter grade, and you can repeat that for the rest of it, but somehow doesn't seem to work. The reason it doesn't work is that if you look at the one that didn't work, you find out that we're not actually using the lookup table anymore because of the relative address that we use changed where the lookup table is when we copy and paste the formula. So what should we do? We'll kind of backtrack a little bit. We'll need to be here. We need to hit F4, function key 4, to make the reference to the lookup tables vector and the result vector to be the absolute address. Once we've done that, we will just drag it. Now we got the answer. It doesn't hurt to kind of double check a little bit over this grading policy. Make sure you got the answer right. Okay, so everything seems to be okay. This saved me a lot of time in terms of determining letter grade for student if I have their score here. And hopefully you'll find a situation you'll use lookup table to make your life easier when you're working with a spreadsheet. This concludes our lecture in terms of how to use the lookup function and lookup table in converting some data from one set of measurement to the other. Thank you for listening. See you next time.